Alright, welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to teach you all how to make a slot car, and this is going to be part 1 of literally I don't know how many parts. So the first thing you got to do to make a slot car is get yourself a car body. So the one way you can do this is go to the toolbox right up here. Where is it? There. And then you just go right here and you type car body. Car body. Okay. Oh my god. Car body. What's going on? Okay. Car body. You type car body and you basically got a car body here. See, they have this, all of these car bodies. They're very good. But some of them can be leaked and some of them are not. And the second way you can get car bodies is going into RCT communities. And RCT communities are basically like Roblox car communities. And you can get them. I'll try to link some servers down below for you guys. So for this video, I'm gonna be doing this car, this E36. So right here. Let's just take it out of the file. So then you have it right here in your workspace. Let's take it over there. Okay. Now that you've got your car body, you have to go back to the toolbox and type chassis. So chassis. Like that. And the first one, which is a chassis 6C by Novena, that's the one that you need to get because the newest and that's the one to use. So you press insert and there it is. Go here, and then you basically have to put it on the ground like this. Let's put it right there, and then you got your car body, and what you need to do, just check where is the front. So by here, you can see that this is pointing front, so that'll be the front, and these are going to be front, and these are going to be the back tires. Let's check real quick so I know that I'm not wrong. Okay, wheels. FL, yep, this is it, so the front left and this is the front right. So now that you've got a new chassis, what you need to do is get the position of your chassis model. So you go and transform the origin right here, you copy it, then you go to your car body, you press on the origin, you put it there, and it should come here. Now if your car body is facing this and these are your front tires, then it's wrong, so you have to turn it. You can use Control R 2 times and then it will work. So you have to position your car body correctly. So I'm just gonna position it real quick. It's not gonna be the best, but okay. So that's it. And one thing that I like to do is you go in the wheels, go to each of them and make their transparency 0, so I can see them better. So you go here, okay, and now you go back to your body and you just have to make it correct. So first align it up with the front wheels, so like this. Yeah. So you put it like this and make sure these ones, let me just put a camera light real quick in the plugins. Okay, camera light, so this is even. This is not, so let's just do that and let's make this one front. And yeah, that's okay. So the front wheels are now good. And if your back wheels are not like this, so don't worry. All you gotta do is go back and to the wheels, you pick RL and RR. And then you just get them back. Position them correctly so your wheels don't really get ruined when you're driving. Okay, that's even. If you want, you can put your car body down. What's that? So you can put your car body down. Let's just check that. Let me put my car body down a little bit. This is like the suspension for it. And then after that, what you need to do, let me just disable this. You need to put your car body into the body of the chassis. So right here it says body, you put your car body into the body of that. So now you have your body inside here. And now what that does is when you press on your chassis, all of it moves together. So now it's like an entire car. So now that we've done that, let's check if you've done it correctly. So let's just save it. You press F5 or you come here and press play. Okay, so if your car turns out to be working well and it works, then that means that you've completed the first part of the tutorial successfully. And I'll try to make the second video tutorial tomorrow if I can. So see ya.